If you're getting into Web3 development, two names keep popping up, Solidity and VS Code. But what actually are they, and do you need both? Let's clear this up right now. Solidity is a coding language. It's the language you use to write smart contracts on blockchains like Ethereum. Think of it like this. If you want to build a regular website, you write HTML and JavaScript. But if you want to build something on the blockchain, you write Solidity. It was created specifically for that job. Solidity handles things like sending tokens, running votes, locking funds, all on chain, all automatic. No company in the middle, just code. VS Code is a code editor. It's a free app made by Microsoft where you write and manage your code. It doesn't care what language you use. You can write Python, JavaScript, Rust, anything. And yes, you can write Solidity in it too. On its own, VS Code knows nothing about Solidity, but you can add a free plugin from the VS Code marketplace, and it will understand Solidity, color your code, catch mistakes, and help as you type. VS Code is just the workspace. Solidity is the work. So here's the simple way to think about it. Solidity is what you write. VS Code is where you write it. They are not competing. They work together. You open VS Code, add the Solidity extension, and now you have everything you need to start building smart contracts. Most developers use this combo every single day. It's free, it's fast, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Yes, if you want to build on the blockchain, you do need to learn Solidity as a language, and you need somewhere to write that code. VS Code is the most popular choice for that. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need a powerful computer. Just download VS Code, add the Solidity plugin, and you're ready to go. Solidity is the language, VS Code is the editor. Together, they're the starting point for almost every smart contract developer out there. Hit the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more Web3 content just like this.